Changing your password on SoundCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture or icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to the Password section. In the Settings menu, look for the Password section. This is where you can update your password. Step 4. Enter your current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. Now you can enjoy using SoundCloud with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and change it regularly for added security.